Hey, what are we gonna do today?
Build a house.
Build a house?
Yeah.
But first we have to clear the spot. Look at all this moss and grass and gravel and big boulders. Use your skid steer and your bulldozer and clear the lot so we can make a foundation. Good job. Can the bulldozer help? There we go. Move all that yucky stuff. Good job. All done? All right, let's put it in the dump truck and carry it off, and then we can get to building a house. All right, push it into the dump truck down here. It's okay, we can get it. There we go. Push a little bit more, please. Almost finished. Whoa, that's a big load. All right, now he can take it off and we can get started on our house. Blippi, do you want to check out this cool new Play-Doh kit Rhett has?
Yes.
It's called Tooling Around. All right, we're gonna use it to construct a house. Yeah, you ready to do it?
Yeah.
Let's go, Fireman Blippi. Let's get our blocks and our tools ready and build a house. Let's show them what kind of cool tools you had in your toolkit. You have a, what is that? A saw. That's right. What else do you have? A steamroller. That makes cool wood grain print. A wrench extruder. Yeah. What else do you have? What is that? A wrench, a screwdriver. What is that? It does look like a steamroller. It's a tape measurer. A saw, a hammer, a wrench, a screwdriver, a tape measure, and a roller that makes wood grain. All right, Rhett, are you and Blippi ready to make a house? You have all your tools. Are you ready?
Cool.
Rhett, the first part of a house is the foundation. Can you make a level foundation so we can build? That's right, so we can build really high. All right, put all the blocks together.
Yes.
That's silly. All right, let's make blocks around it. And then we can make it really high. You think Blippi's gonna like his house? I do too.
Cool house.
That is a cool house, Blippi. It's really colorful. In just a few minutes, we get to use our really fun tools too. All right, let's make it higher.
Okay.
Where's the front door gonna go?
I do back door.
Right there? Okay.
Back door.
That's the back door?
Yeah.
Okay, if that's the back door, this will be the front door. Sound good? All right, let's keep building.
Back box.
Back porch?
Back box.
All right. Is it all set with some nails? Good job.
No.
Let's make Blippi a Play-Doh door. Let's use your roller to make it look like wood grain. He'll have a nice wooden door. That is so cool. Look at that. That is a really cool door. Is that going to be his front door or his back door?
Back door.
His back door? Really cool. Look at that wood grain, Rhett. That's awesome. Good job. All right, now let's use your saw and cut it in the shape of a door. What shape is a door?
Downways.
Sideways. It's more, a door is kind of like a rectangle. There you go. Good door. Perfect. Okay. Good job. Check out that really cool door. Good job, Rhett. All right, let's take these 2 blocks and lay your door on top. And then you can use some Play-Doh nails and your hammer to secure it. Let's make some nails for our wooden door. Whoa, those are really cool. Good job. Now you need to cut us one more door, Rhett. One more rectangle. Can you make another cut right here? And we'll have 2 doors. There you go. Now let's attach it. And we'll have 2 doors for Blippi to go in and out of. Hey, can you make some nails for me? I think we need a few nails to secure the doors. All right, let's use the extruder wrench and the saw and some blue Play-Doh. Can you stick it in there? And then you can hammer the nails into the door. Let's see it come out. Squeeze really hard. There you go, really hard. Good job, wow. Hammer that nail in for me. There we go. All right, Rhett, we have Blippi's front door, Blippi's window, and his back door. Now we just need to make him a roof.
Cut anything. Cut me down.
All right, you're gonna cut it with your saw? Good job, look at that.
Chop, chop.
What are you making? Rhett, what are you making?
Down.
Dog food. I think you should make cat food for Blippi's cat. He has a cat in his arms. Does the kitty cat like it?
No.
She doesn't like it? Aw, come on, kitty cat. Maybe she's getting tired of waiting for her house to be built. We need to work faster. Feed the kitty cat and then let's get back to work. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Is it working extra hard? Whoa. Hammer these nails, Rhett. Good job. Other side. Oh. I think we need more nails.
Yeah, I'm done.
Is it all done? You think it's good? All right, let's put on the roof. That is hard work. Good job. Let's make it into a really long rectangle roof. There you go. All right, let's lift it up and let's put it on top of Blippi.
Done.
Can you use the block to roll the blue out for the roof? We're gonna put the Play-Doh on top of the cardboard so the roof will be strong and sturdy. There you go. Good job. Keep going till all the cardboard's covered. A colorful house needs a colorful roof.
I'm done.
You're all done? All right. All right, here, help Mommy put the roof on top. There we go. All right, I think Blippi can have guests over now. Blippi, are you ready for some guests? Who's coming over for a visit, Rhett? Who was that? Spaghetti Blippi and Mailman Blippi?
You.
Did you do a good job on Blippi's house?
Yes.
He can have 3 guests over?
Yes.
Cool, I really like it. You did a good job. He has 2 windows, 2 doors, and a really colorful roof.
Bye.
See you next time. Thanks for joining Rhett today as he constructed a house. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more learning and fun.